Good morning, students. Let's see the organic chemistry concept of isomerism. Okay. I think we discussed about chain and positional isomerism and structural isomerism. Am I right? Now, functional group isomerism. That is third isomerism in structural isomerism. Functional group isomerism. Functional group isomers or isomerism. Isomer. Isomers means two or more compounds having same molecular formula. You should remember that. Two or more compounds, it may be two or more than two compounds are there, but all that compounds maintain same molecular formula. Okay. Whatever the isomerism, it may be chain, positional, functional, metamerism, tautomerism. Okay. But in chain isomerism, where the difference in the length of the main chain is the difference. In positional isomerism, where we observe the difference in multiple bonds position or functional group position or substituent position may be different. Suppose 1 chlorobutane, 2 chlorobutane, both are having same molecular formula. Am I right? But where the difference, chlorine position is different. 1 butene, 2 butene, where the difference, double bond position is different. Molecular formula is same for 2. Okay? 1 alcohol, 2 alcohol, where the position is different, position of OH group is different, have to observe, but molecular formula is different. In functional group isomerism also, molecular formula is same, but where the different, in the functional group is different functional group. Okay, write the definition. When two or more compounds having same molecular formula, but have different functional group, this is main important, different functional groups, then the compounds are called as functional group isomers. And the phenomena is called functional group isomerism. So molecular formula is same, you know very well, but where the major difference is here, the two compounds having different functional groups. Let's see some example for regarding this. The two compounds are called as isomers and that phenomena is called as isomerism. Okay. Clear, ma? Let us take alcohol. It is a functional group. If OH group has main functional group, that is alcohol, and secondary suffix is -ol. That means end of the name ends with -ol. If OH has main functional group in the compound, that is alcoholic functional group, end of the name ends with -ol. Ethers, what is the functional group? ROR dash. Both are different. Okay. This is called ethers. Ethers. Okay. Next functional group, aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group, C double bond OH or CHO group. This is aldehyde. Then secondary suffix. Already we discussed about this all. End of the name ends with all. Okay, aldehyde. Ketones. Ketones. R C double bond O R C double bond O R dash. This functional group is called as ketone functional group. And secondary suffix, that means end of the name ends with one, ketone. Okay. These are all functional group. Alcohols, ether, aldehyde, ketones are functional group. Okay. Just keep it in our mind. Next, carboxylic acid. Already we discussed about this functional group. What is the functional group? Bond COOH or bond C double bond OH, both are, and secondary suffix is oic acid. Oic acid. End of the name ends with oic acid. And esters R C double bond O R C double bond O R dash. So secondary suffix is oic. Name ends with oic. Okay. These are called as esters. We can also represent this RCOOR. Here RCOOR dash also. Ketone RCOR dash. Okay, these are also ketones. Next one, cyanides. Cyanide, bond CN is called as cyanide, and its secondary suffix is nitrile. Okay, isocyanide, bond NC, its secondary suffix is carbylamine. Okay, its common name is, these are IUPAC names. Common name cyanide. Its common name is isocyanide. These are IUPAC names, secondary suffix. Okay, keep it in our mind. So write this functional group. Then I would like to give the example for functional group isomerism. These are the some functional groups. Okay, already given the table also, and primary suffix, secondary suffix. Now let us take the example statement, that is alcohols and ethers are functional group isomers. Alcohols and ethers are functional group isomers. Okay, let's see. These two are act as functional group. Let's take the example. Ethyl alcohol, or IUPAC name is ethanol. This is the common name. This is IUPAC name, ethanol. Alcohol means whole. Okay, secondary suffix. This is common name. What is the formula? CH3 bond CH2 OH, or we can also write two carbons are there. So OH is there, whole, eth plus whole, ethanol. Two carbons are there in the main chain. So what is the root word? Eth. What is the main functional group? OH. If OH has main functional group, then what is the secondary suffix? Whole. So eth plus whole, ethanol. Or we can also write this C2H5OH, 2 carbons, 5 hydrogens. Okay. So now I would like to change this as CH3 bond O CH3, am I right? Okay. So now this is ethyl alcohol, this is ether. Ether. Okay. Name of this one is, this is alcohol. Alcohol. OH is the main functional group. Okay. Where ether, ROR, ether functional group. So methyl group it is methoxymethane. What is the name? Methoxymethane. Keep it in our mind. Methyl group, methoxy. One carbon is there, methane. Methoxymethane. IUPAC name. Methoxymethane is IUPAC name. Its common name is dimethyl ether. How many methyl groups are there? This is IUPAC ma. Okay. This is also IUPAC name. Dimethyl ether. Common name. Dimethyl ether. How many methyl groups are there? 2. So dimethyl ether. Okay, let us count what is the molecular formula of this compound alcoholic. 2 carbons, 5 hydrogen, 6 na, 3 plus 2 5, C2H6, 1 oxygen. This is the molecular formula of alcohol. What is the molecular formula of this one? C2H6O. Molecular formula is same or not? Same. C2H6O, C2H6O. Clear? So this is alcoholic functional group. This is ether functional group. Functional groups are different, but molecular formula is same. Alcohols, ethers. Both are functional group isomers now. These two are isomers now. Functional group, isomers. These two are alcohols and ethers. So ethanol and methoxymethane is functional group isomers. Why? So it is alcoholic functional group, it is ether functional group. Both are different functional group, but they process same molecular formula, C2H6O. Clear? Clear, mark 2? Let's see one more example here. One more example for this. CH3 bond CH2, CH2 bond OH. Okay, so propanol, 3 carbons are there, OH as main functional group. Propane plus propanol. Okay, CH3, CH2O CH3. Okay. This is C2H5, am I right? C2H5. This is ethyl group. This is methyl group. So ether functional group. It is ether, am I right? Ether functional group. R-OR. Both are different groups. This one. ROR, R-OR. This is alcohol. 2 are functional group. What is the molecular formula? Molecular formula C3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7 8. C3H8. O. Okay. What about this one? 5 plus 2. C3H8O. Molecular formula same or not? One is alcohol, another one is ether. Different functional group. So now these two are functional group isomers. Why? Because molecular formula is same, functional groups are different. What is the name of this one? This is 1-propanol. This is ethyl. This one is methyl. Ethyl methyl ether. Small e. Common name. Ethyl methyl ether. Okay. And next one. So alcohols and ethers are functional group isomers. Keep it. Next type is aldehydes and ketones are functional group isomers. Okay, clear? For example, CH3, CH2, CHO, aldehyde. Am I right? What is the name of this one? propanol. All is there. 3 carbons are there. Pro plus are propanol. What is the secondary suffix for aldehyde? All. Propanol. Okay. So CH3COCH3. This is ketone, am I right? Propanone. One ketone. This is aldehyde. Aldehyde functional group. Why? Because CHO is there. And this is ketone functional group. Ketone. We can also write this CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Am I right? Ketone. Propanone, or we call it is acetone, is the common name. Acetone. For its common name is acetaldehyde. Sorry, propanaldehyde. Propanol or propanaldehyde it is. Okay. Acetone is common name. So it is ketone and it is aldehyde. Both are different compounds. Then what about their molecular formulas here, students? So 3 carbons here, C3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 1, 6, C3H6, 1 oxygen. What about this ketone molecular formula? So 3 carbons, C3H6O. Molecular formula is same, but they process different functional group. One is aldehyde, another one is ketone. So it is also aldehyde and ketone also example for functional group isomers. Okay. And third one, carboxylic acid and esters are functional group isomers. Example for functional group isomers. Let's take the example. Let's take the example, students. CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. So butanoic acid. Butanoic acid. COOH is the main functional group. What is the second? Oic acid is the main functional group. Oic acid, butanoic acid and CH3, CH2, C double bond O. Okay, clear? So it is in the form of RCOOH, am I right? Carboxylic acid. This is RC double bond O R dash. Okay, this is R dash, C double bond O, this is R. Taken as R dash, ester. So it is carboxylic acid functional group, am I right? Carboxylic acid functional group. This is ester functional group, am I right? Ester compound, carboxylic, both are different functional group, am I right? These two are functional group isomerism. So why? What is the molecular formula of this compound? 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 1, 8, 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 8. How many oxygens? 2 oxygens, C4H8O2. And what about this one? Molecular formula 1, 2, 3, 4, C4, 5, 8 and O2. Same molecular formula but different functional group, am I right? Same molecular formula. One is butanoic acid, here it is. Clear ma up to? So right, this is methyl group, this is propyl group. So methyl propanoate esters, methyl group. 3 carbons are there, propyl, methyl propanoate ester O8. Methyl propanoate, 3 carbons, suppose 4 carbons are there, here butanoate, okay, methyl propanoate, IUPAC name. So carboxylic acid and esters also example for functional group. And next one, alkynes and alkadienes, dienes. is also example for functional group isomers. Functional group isomers. Alkyne means triple bond is there. Alkadienes means two double bonds are there in the same compound. Let's see. CH3, CH2 bond, C triple bond, CH. Triple bond is there. This is first carbon, second, third, fourth. So 1 butane. Alkyne means I, butane. Okay. What about this one? CH2 double bond, CH bond, CH double bond, CH2. First carbon, second, third, fourth. Double bond at first carbon and third carbon. Double bond starts at first carbon and at third carbon. So 1, 3. How many carbons? 4. Butadiene. Two double bonds are there. So diene. If double bond is there, ene is there at end of the name. So two double bonds are diene. But 4 carbons. Butadiene. 1, 3. Butadiene. Let us take the molecular formula of this compound. 1, 2, 3, 4. C4. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5 hydrogens and 6. C4H6. Am I right? Clear? 1, 2, 3. 4 carbons. 3 plus 2, 5 and 6. C4H6 is the formula. And molecular formula here 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons and 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. C4H6 molecular formula is same. So these two are also alkynes and alkadienes also example for functional group isomers. Okay, why? Because these two are having same molecular formula. Okay, is it clear up to? So shall I rub this? But different functional group. One is alkyne, another one is alkene, alkadiene. And fourth one is very, very important, cyanides and isocyanides, also functional group isomers. Okay, cyanides, for example, CH3CN, methyl cyanide is the common name. Methyl cyanide is the common name. IUPAC name is two carbons are there. So ethane, cyan is there. What is the secondary suffix? Nitrile, ethane nitrile. Okay, and one more compound, CH3NC. Okay, this is methyl. CH3 means methyl group. NC means isocyanide. Isocyanide, common name. IUPAC name is, so methyl carbyl amine is the IUPAC name. Here this is IUPAC. These are the two compounds. One is cyanide, another one is isocyanide. Isocyanide means reverse NC. So now calculate what is the molecular formula for these two compounds. Molecular formula, how many carbons? 2 carbons, C2. Here also 2 carbons. How many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens. Here also 3 hydrogens. How many nitrogen? 1 nitrogen. C2H3N. Same molecular formula. So these two are also example for functional group isomerism. So cyanides and isocyanides are also example for functional group isomers. So C2, 3 hydrogen. CH3, 1 nitrogen. C2H3N. Here also C2H3N. Same molecular formula but different functional groups. So cyanides and isocyanides are also example for clearly functional group isomerism. So what is functional group isomerism? Two or more compounds having same molecular formula but differ in the functional group. Such isomers are called as functional group isomers, and that phenomena is called as functional group isomerism. Okay, is it clear? So you have to read the functional group table, very much important that. Okay, here cyanide, isocyanides are two different functional group. So okay, is it clear up to? Okay students, again we will meet on tomorrow. Write the notes properly.